Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdegam Chimthanawala. Today I'll discuss a very short case just came 15 days back to me. A very simple case of diarrhea, but learnt lot of things from this case. There was a child about 6 to 7 years of age. He complained about diarrhea, and the diarrhea was for the past 1.5 months. He had taken a lot of medicine, but he had no change. In fact, when he took allopathy medicines, he used to feel better. When he stopped, he was back to square one. And his complaints were very precise, very particular, and simple symptoms he had. The symptom was that diarrhea, which was slimy green in color. That is the diarrhea green in color. Now, whenever a patient comes to you and tells you diarrhea green in color, we have about 3 to 4 medicines that comes to our mind. But don't be prejudiced in just jumping onto the remedies. Hear the patient. He is suffering from diarrhea for the past 1.5 months. In spite of all the treatment, nothing is working. So the first symptom the patient told me is diarrhea was green. So I asked him, anything else, any else symptom you have? So the child's mother told that whenever the child is playing more, he plays more. जब भी बहुत खेलता है, वो बहुत मस्ती करता है ना, तब लैट्रिन और बढ़ जाती है उसको. मतलब जिस दिन बहुत खेलता है तो लैट्रिन और ज़्यादा जाता है. See what a precise and what an important symptom the mother has told. Normally we cannot think that this may be a symptom, but if you have learned your Mater Medica, if you have studied your Mater Medica in detail, you will find that actually the mother is telling you a symptom of a remedy. Next I asked, explain anything else. So the mother told that sometimes the stools are soft also, like pasty, it sticks to the anus. Sometimes it is pasty, it falls, and it's like a paste also. Then I asked her what is the color of the stools. So she said mostly it is slimy green, sometimes it is brown in color also. Now these symptoms are very important because here if you jump into the symptoms, sometimes the stool is slimy green, sometimes the stool is soft, sometimes the stool is brown, you will see that you can take the symptoms changeable stools and the remedy will change. But again, see what the patient is trying to tell you. Ask anything you can explain more about the diarrhea. And the mother told that, sir, जब से डायरिया, जब से उसको लैट्रिन लगी है ना, इसके मुंह से थूक बहुत गिरते हैं, राल बहुत गिराता है. सो दीज वर द सिम्टम्स विद द पेशेंट केम एंड टोल्ड मी कि जब भी वो इतना राल पहले नहीं गिरा रहा था, बट लैट्रिन की वजह से शायद वीकनेस हो गई हो, शायद बहुत बॉडी में फ्लूइड्स कम हो गए हो, इसलिए बहुत राल गिरा रहा हो, ये भी हो सकता है. सो दीज वर द सिम्टम्स द पेशेंट वॉज coming and telling us. Now, if you analyze this symptom, you will get a very important remedy that you have read, but maybe these symptoms you have not seen in that remedy. But again, I asked anything else you have symptoms. So the mother gave the very good indication of that remedy, because if this symptom, if a patient tell you, you must remember this drug. The mother told me, sir, when he goes to sleep or when he's playing also, no, because of diarrhea or I don't know why, because of weakness, his scalp, the hairs are always wet with lot of perspiration. When he sleeps also, the hair is wet. Now again, don't jump into the remedy like calcarea, sweat of the scalp and it wets the pillow far around. Don't jump. In fact, whatever the patient has told you, write down the symptoms in your paper or on your repertory chart and see and repetize what remedy comes to your repertory chart. So this is a short case. The patient came to me. I gave that remedy 1 m 2 doses, and in 15 days time, in fact, the change started within 24 hours, and in 15 days time he was totally cured. So the right remedy, the right potency, and the right symptom taken and right repetition will show you magical results. Now let's see what symptoms the patient told us. First of all, stools greenish in color. Second, stools soft. Third, color of the stools brown sometimes. Fourth, whenever there is bodily exertion, the diarrhea increases. So bodily diarrhea, bodily exertion during, then salivation during diarrhea, and last symptom the patient told, perspiration on the scalp which wets the pillow or which wets the scalp. The scalp is always wet, sopping scalp you can do it. think about. So these are the symptoms. These 5 symptoms, if you repetize, one of the very well known remedy that comes to your repertory chart is Rheum. Rheum. I gave this child Rheum 1 m 2 dose. In 24 hours, he was 50% better. In 15 days time, everything was cured. In fact, the patient came after 15 days and said, sir, everything is fine. There is no symptom now. He is absolutely healthy. This is Rheum. A short case, a short remedy, but a very, very important remedy to prescribe. One symptom you must remember about Rheum that I have seen in my practice, a Rheum patient normally sleeps for a very short while and he feels better. That is, sleeps little. That's also one of the important symptom of Rheum. So if you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.